Welcome back to the channel. Today is November 7th, 2025, and here's the latest update on SoundHound AI Incorporated, ticker symbol SON, along with a trading strategy. SON is currently trading at $14.58, up about 2.5% or 36 cents from the previous close of $14.23. The stock traded between a low of $14.07 and a high of $14.80 during the session. Its year high reached $24.98, with a year low near $5.97, showing strong growth prospects but also considerable volatility. The company focuses on AI-driven voice and sound recognition technologies and holds a market capitalization of approximately $5.95 billion. SON reports an earnings per share of -0.68, with a price-to-earnings ratio of -21.45, indicating ongoing investments over profitability. The stock is trading below its 50-day moving average of $16.63, but above the 200-day moving average near $12.30, suggesting mixed technical signals. For trading, watch key support near $14 and resistance around $16.50 to $17. A confirmed bounce-off support could present buying opportunities targeting resistance. Conversely, a breakdown below $14 may trigger further downside, so risk management with tight stop losses is crucial. Options traders might consider protective puts or call spreads, depending on risk tolerance. The analyst consensus rates SON as a buy, with average price targets around $15.83, projecting about an 11% upside over the next year. In summary, SoundHound AI shows promise in AI technology, but comes with volatility that demands careful trading and risk control. Thanks for watching this SON update. Don't forget to subscribe for daily market insights and trading ideas. See you next time.